Here's something I see all the time. Your car starts acting sluggish, it won't accelerate, and suddenly it feels like you're towing a trailer full of bricks. 9 times out of 10, people have no idea their catalytic converter might be blocked. It's that sneaky little box underneath your car that most people never think about. The catalytic converter is designed to clean up your exhaust gases. Think of it like your car's Brita water filter, but for pollution, except when it clogs, performance goes down the toilet. A blocked catalytic converter usually starts with weak acceleration or weird jerking motions. You might notice the check engine light, a classic "something's wrong, but I'd rather ignore it" moment. Ignore it long enough, and you'll lose about 40% of your car's power. Easy. Let's talk symptoms, because people love playing mechanic with their Google searches. The big ones: engine misfires, mystery rattling noises, your exhaust smelling like rotten eggs, and absolutely tragic fuel economy. We're talking 10 miles to the gallon, maybe worse. The pain point here: you'll start burning more gas to go nowhere faster. I've seen people spend hundreds chasing bad spark plugs and fuel injector issues, when really it's a $1,200 catalytic converter choking everything down. Here's a step-by-step if you're worried you've got a blocked cat. First, let your car cool down. Second, loosen the bolts connecting the converter to the exhaust pipe, and if the engine suddenly sounds freer and revs higher, ding ding, you've found your problem. If you're not the DIY type, at least run an OBD-II scanner. Look for codes like P0420 or P0430. These codes basically scream, "Hey, your catalytic converter is dying a slow, painful death." Pro tip: some auto parts stores will scan this for you for free. Here's the trivia piece nobody tells you. Your catalytic converter can actually overheat and glow red hot if it's blocked. I'm not joking. It turns your undercarriage into a science experiment. That's a literal fire risk sitting inches from your gas tank. Why do these things block up in the first place? Sometimes it's bad fuel, sometimes it's oil from leaky engine seals, or just regular old carbon building up over 70,000 miles. If you hear rattling, the ceramic insides might already have shattered. Some people try the cat cleaner in a can trick. It rarely works, unless you're halfway lucky and just have minor carbon buildup. Once it's fully clogged, the only answer is usually a new catalytic converter. Used ones from the junkyard get snatched up fast. Portland's got a black market for these thanks to all the theft. Pro tip: stop idling your car for 10 minutes every morning. Excessive idling means lower exhaust temperatures and higher carbon buildup, which is basically a clogged cat's best friend. If you drive short distances a lot, consider letting your car hit highway speeds once in a while. Last thing I'll say: if your car is older than 15 years, you're not alone in this misery. Catalytic converters are ticking time bombs, so knowing the signs can save you thousands. Catch the issue early, and you'll avoid the whole "my car died on the freeway" nightmare. If you take away anything today, let it be this: when your car coughs, pay attention. 70% of expensive engine repairs start with a check engine light nobody bothered to check. Your wallet and your patience will thank you for being proactive.